Maybe you better sit down for a spell.
No, I haven't time. Listen, where's the nearest airfield?
Airfield?
You know, Granny, that's one of them there fields sets up in the air.
Oh, never mind. I'll find it myself. Listen, now don't you sell that swamp till you hear from me. I'm flying to Tulsa.
Now he thinks he's got wings. Morning, Granny. Watch them buttons, child.
Granny! Them pigs of yours got into the corn.
Did they drink much?
I reckon they did. This here little fellow was kicking blue blazes out of the mule.
That's the trouble with razorbacks. They's such a mean drunk. Yeah, this wouldn't happen if you'd stay in the house where you belong.